So to import this Vuforia package inside our Unity for markers, we just need to open it. You can simply double click on it or open it. So when I open it, what happened? I got an option to import this Unity package. So I can see that you are not able to see this. I will share this screenshot in the WhatsApp group. Just check your WhatsApp group now. When I clicked on that Unity package, I got this option. I am sharing this image with you. WhatsApp web, AR/VR webinar. I have shared the image, just check it, or I can show you from here as well. I have sent in the AR/VR webinar group this screenshot. Presently I have a screen in Unity like this. I am getting an option to import the Unity package that I just created from the Vuforia website. So here you can see there is an option for import. I will import it. Let's see it in Unity. I have hit the import button and it took a time of 1 to 2 seconds and it's imported. So let's get back to Unity, and here you can see what happened. Our Vuforia package is imported inside the Unity, but currently you are not able to see this where it went. So here, to use it, it has actually imported in Unity and we will use it now. Right click on hierarchy, select Vuforia engine and select image. If you are not able to see this, I will share this screenshot with you. I have right click on hierarchy, I have selected Vuforia engine and selected the image options with it. So here you can say that see this that I have shared the screenshot. What I did, actually I was doing the same thing from the very beginning, but people were not able to see this. I just right click on the hierarchy panel, hierarchy window, and I got these options: copy, paste, duplicate, 3D object, 2D object. So this is where I was creating the cube and a sphere. So right now I will use this Vuforia engine and select image from there. Let's come back to Unity, Vuforia engine and select image. So okay, if you are able to see, okay, see the Unity package that we just imported from Vuforia website, it works in format of image targets, that is the markers. What we did, we right click and from Vuforia engine we selected the image options. जैसे ही हमने इमेज ऑप्शन सेलेक्ट किया, हमें ये इमेज यहाँ पे दिखने लगा. इफ़ यू आर नॉट एबल टू सी दिस इमेज, do one thing I will tell you. Here in the inspector panel, select your image target, and from your inspector panel, here you can see type, database and image target. Select database. ऐसा हो सकता है कि फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में आपको ये ना दिखे. Let's clear it to empty. Okay, so we have an image target but it's not visible. To make it visible, out of database, select the database. If you remember, I named my database webinar day 2, and I have uploaded 3 image targets which I can see here. Those were the playing cards, the Ben 10 and Ben 10 back. Let's see, change the view so you can see clearly Ben 10 back and Ben 10. So you can see all the image targets that I uploaded on Vuforia. We are able to see that here. So let's work with Ben 10 back for now. Okay, so we got a marker. Now we need a 3D model.